Alright, so the first time when you open Premiere will be something like this. You click here, new project, then we choose the name. Let's go for the test tutorial. Then you hit browse and we choose where to save the file. Remember, if you close your program and you want to continue working later, you just go to where you saved your project and open up that file. Let's create a folder, so where we save the file, let's name it Premiere. And then click select. You hit create. Don't mind this window, just click skip. This is what Premiere looks like. Before anything, let's choose the working environment. So you go window, workspaces, and you choose editing. You see all different windows, don't panic. If you misclick anything or by accident close anything, let's move it a bit around, don't panic. How we reset everything, you go back here, window, and reset to saved layout. So we choose this environment, let's continue. Importing media. You go into this window, selecting this window, you see project, and we go import media. Then we choose the media in our hard drive. Select import. Okay, I have few shots here. When you double click any of the footage, it will show up right in here. And we can choose a specific segment to take from that footage and start editing. How we do that? So right here, and we click I, which stands for in, and then we choose where the footage we want to end, so here, and then we click O for out, and you see this is the segment that we have chosen. So from there we just drag and drop here into this timeline, which is called timeline, and we drop it. You see here is the actual footage and that specific segment we've chosen. I'm a professional video editor and videographer for more than 12 years. I've consolidated all this experience of mine just for you, so you'll know exactly how to edit. Full course link below.